my wife, she made some food and she was saying, oh, I think I put too much salt. And she's seeing me eat it with so much vigor. And she's like, oh, the food, was it really nice? I'm like, you don't know what I've been through. You think salt can stop me? It's not even like you're suffering. You need any go. Welcome to the INS podcast. It's your boy Jack Kalala, first of his name, second to none, king to the wise, wise to the king. And it's real. I'm sitting here. I am your host for today's show, and it's going to be amazing. I am not alone. I'm moving with Amachins, and I'd like them to introduce themselves. Thank you.
Ngiyacabanga sihost uJack.
Yeah.
Jack emasinde.
Yeah, kuzoba mnandi ke.
Driver wethu.
Shut up, man. Now, Purple Shepherd says, Take machiteni semnyango. Much.
Thank you, Shabiri Mashile.
Imashi.
Welcome to the INS podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Ikamunkanyiso Nkome, your co-host. Thank you, Machiten. We are outside. This peto umchagatu. Thank you, mchagatu.
Thank you, Zala.
Thank you, Mhlobo.
Thank you, Putena Kuza.
Thank
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Utedi Waganzama, also known as Utedi We Kofi
No punches.
Tango.
Thank you, man.
Shout out to Shulex la khona bafethu Shulex la yekho.
Yeah, bengizosho the same thing.
Inja yethu ngesishiye ngaphandle.
Yeah, kukhona in the spirit.
Tak.
Wahleka ngaka manje Shepherd. Yeah, guys.
Okay, Shabi.
Oh.
Seqalile ke manje Shepherd.
Sicabanga ndiyabana amandi la Shabi. Uyiphendula semse.
Sorry, check it.
Hayi no, bethu ku right hlekani bafethu ngoba kusazoba mnandi. I know. I think just to put a frame around the conversation and namhlanje, I think we want to better understand Unkanyiso and better understand Shepherd. You know, these are people that people are looking up to, but we only see facets of their lives. So I think today it's going to be that unveiling to know what actually Unkanyiso, how does he think, you know, and what makes him the man that he is. Even this concept here podcast, where did it start and why are we here today? Shepherd, I know you've seen a lot of his videos. We are Kudumu Shepherd. And Usazo Kuduma again, I'm trying. But I want to just pull out something different about each of their lives and aspects that can benefit our viewers. So, how are you, Mvets? Come back, Anjani. Where are you in life right now, Mvets? What are your focus? And just walk us through that. Thank you.
Yo, akazi noma kuzothi questionele yadi noma yo empilweni ngigrand but more than anything I'm a student of life kahle Jack. I'm in a journey to try and apply a bit of wisdom and knowledge that I've acquired, but I'm still learning. But in the process yokuzama uku-apply, of which it's very different and complicated, yabo. Kulula ukuyi-absorb enye, but mase kumele uyi-apply because na kumele uyishintshe i-context yayo mase iya ku-application. Yeah, so I'm in that stage of my life where I'm trying to apply a lot of things that kodwa ngibe ngifunda at the same time. Yeah, I hope I've answered your question.
I know you answered it very well. Just to follow up, you said you were students of life.
Yeah.
Has ego ever stopped you from doing anything or achieving anything? Because in mindset, when they say something like, I'm a student, it usually comes from thinking they were a master or realizing navigating life as a master, sees. Has there ever been a place where you felt like, this was just ego? And if there was, what was that experience like for you?
No, not really for me, because I've never considered myself on the ego. but ikhona into engingayibona ekhuluma ngayo ego yokuthi somehow you cannot achieve some of the things umuntu achievile without the ego, but not the ego lena eyokuthi ufuna ukubreaka, but that ego that pushes you to do better. Not kodwa le intimidate abantu. Yabo. However, most of my life, even when I was growing up, I've always had abantu abadala kunami, abantu abenza kangcono kunami, people who I've always looked up to close. My role models were always people who were closer to me, not abantu abase-TV. So hence, I'd never seen myself as umuntu one-ego. Musa was one of my role models. Not even that once, but
The way you said this, Musa.
okay, let me shine a light on that. So Musa matriculated qala kunami, and then he got to distinction accounting and that. He was a top student.
Shout out, bro.
While sizwane yabo
Shout out.
sisekasi namajita, Musa is a top student.
Shout out.
Not just ukupass matric, but nje just ukuhlakanipha, because he also had knowledge. Musa ngaxoxela ngezinto ezenzeke US, akuxoxele ngezinto ufethu lamjita uyithathe blend, because sonke yabo. So I've always had friends like that. Kukhona oyone lapho, kukhona uVido. uVido was my friend. Masingena endaweni uyena okhulumayo hayi mina. Yabo. So from the, even when I came into eThekwini, or even ever I had uZola, who was my accounting tutor, but he was also a mentor ukuthi evarsity vethu ungakwenza ukuthi enza ukuthi. From there ngathola uPay, and then after that ngathola uNdu. Mase ngifike eThekwini, when I got to Durban ngazwana noNdu. uNdu wazi wonke umuntu aseThekwini, even nabantu baseGoli, nama celebrities nabantu abanemali, but wazi wonke umuntu. So now ukuba seduze kwalabo bantu, yeah, there's no way you think you'll be better than those people. So ego ke lapho kuyona into ephinding question, because ngihlezi ngibukela kubantu. Hence I'm saying I'm a student of life. Now nginomngane wami ekuthiwa uSandile Mbatha. Mangiqala nje ngizizwa ngicabanga ukuthi ngihlakaniphile kanye ngine idea right, I throw it to that guy. We dismiss at same time with kindness. Since you didn't consider so the idea yakidom. But it's because and yakutshela straight yabo, but in a manner yokuthi still uyakwazi ukufunda and uyibona ukuthi oh, and if udila nomuntu on a PhD, Jack, even when you try to pose an idea again, ane, and then uma uyipose idea yakho uzama ukuba trick okanye uzama ukuba smart, akukhombise same time good, even when you try to be sneaky with this thing, that notion or that idea, it's not gonna work here. So then kunzima fethu ukuthi ube. Hence, I'm not sure it might be there, but it's not the one that
that pushed you to be a student of life.
Yeah.
Shepard, have you ever struggled with the ego?
I think, it's one of the things as about king, especially when you come from a township, because ego into yako, everybody's trying to prove something there, you know. So it's something that I've also struggled with, for the longest time ever, because coming from an environment, you have to prove yourself. But then there was a time in my life where I had to sit down and ask myself, what is it that I'm trying to prove, you know? Then you realize that no one is paying attention, you know, and no one cares. So might as well just deal with it, because it's all insecurities, bro. Ego is just insecurities, you know? So I had to deal with that. And yeah, I think you're 100%. Yeah, I think just like what I'm saying, coming from those environment, you know, and also being somebody, even people who come from whoever cultural background, like emakhaya, yeah, if it's gonna be struggle into ego, because kuna le anto mo out, kufanele, uhlezi, you know, uzo prove all the time because you are a man. And only to realize that you end up damaging a lot of people because of it, you know, especially the bantu bathanda futhi. So yeah, I mean, yeah, but I've learned to deal with it, and right now, I don't think I have it like before.
No, all right. At least make sure you say ego.
Check on no.
I know. I think that's
When
some what ego.
yeah.
Ego.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, I
let's
know.
give you a fair chance.
No, but I mean, I say that ego not because I don't see it, but I think my understanding of what ego is and the average person are not the same. I'm very bold. I'm very opinionated. And there are traits that usually you find with umuntu ego. But I'm also a student, you see. But I learn differently to other people. I don't learn by just asking. I learn by challenging. But why did you say that, sir? When I was in varsity, I would pick up my hand mid-session. Excuse me, sir, please go back. That point doesn't make sense. Who the hell does this kid think he is? But after he makes it make sense for me, I'll do well in that modules. And the people, me and the lecturer become friends. The way you asked that question, the way you challenged my thoughts, but to the average mind, it's how this guy is so egocentric. He wants all the attention to be his, but I wasn't seeking attention. You know, that's where Shepherd, I wanted actually to probe on some of those insecurities that you identified in yourself. Guti, no, I'm trying to prove myself because of these holes. Can you maybe walk us through, maybe if there's also an event that highlighted that for you, even for you, Nkanyi, so well, who Shepherd is answering, try to think, Guti, what's that moment where you see, Guti, there's also holes in me that I don't have to be a Superman and I'm carrying the weight of the world and it's only a burden for myself. Maybe walk us through.
I think coming from poverty, bro, you know, poverty is one thing that strips you, you know, and
Uglamba.
I mean, you're always gonna try and make sure with abantu kumele bakubone ukuthi awusalambile manje. So right, you know, and low mindset. You know, so you as you walk in life and you're trying to improve, and things are starting to get, you know, better. So it's like, yeah, I'm a boy, man. If that's like, you know, only to find out later on with Kasha, there's no need for that. You know, I just need to live my life and stop trying to prove to people, because I don't know of it, you know. So I think there was that, you know, and I wanted to prove, you know, good no now I am salambile, man, saying right, but only to find out later on what this thing is damaging me, you know, and now I'm finding myself getting the attention that is unnecessary, you know, especially when you're trying to show people that you have money, calm down now, you know, and then people started now wanting things from you because you was visited but to them, man. So sends a loot, and now you but you know, and now because we're not visited, but only to realize with lento you think you know, and I was because man, people want this, want that, so you can't even plan your life anymore, you know. So I think there was that for me, bro. Wuti, I had to sit down and ask myself, Wuti, what's missing, you know, go your uncle, and then I realized, no, I'm the one who you know. From the jump to say, okay, fine, now we are here. So why do we do what we do? You know, so I mean, everything now lento ukuthi ngihlezi ngizoyibuza all the time, anything engiyenza. Why do I do this? Is it benefit to me or to, you know? So ngiyangisiza lokho. So I think iloko pras. Yeah, I don't know if I answer you.
Do you get some of those answers? Because I ask myself that question sometimes. Now I'm totally. As I find myself just saying, as in
yeah, as yesterday I was with someone as well, and I was telling, they were so shocked to say, hey, Lomchita, you know, and he was like, I will now we are Ibuza Lombuz. I always ask myself, like, why do I do this?
Yeah.
So I was helping someone. So mangimsiza lo muntu, sengiqeda ukumsiza. And I'm like, here we go again. You're doing this thing. Ukuthi usayenza.
Ngisiza what?
No, because long ngimsizayo. So anginoka phela. But ngiyamsiza futhi.
Superhero.
Why am I doing this?
Yeah.
And I'm asking, like, I had to have a conversation with myself. I'm like, bro, why are you doing the very same thing with usayenza, but you are here? And then now everything I'm saying, I don't feel like saying ngoba ngixoxa nje nawe yabo. But man, use angibuza ukuthi wow mfethu wena
Sekubuza after.
I'm going yakwi podcast ngiyacabanga endlela. I'm like you know, and I felt so bad, bro, you know, about it. And I hate it when I feel especially to myself.
Sure.
Into anything ngithembise zona mina ukuthi no ngingisayenza.
Yeah.
Ngivele ngiyenze and I'll be like, yeah. You know, so yeah, I think sometimes we are very hard on ourselves.
Yeah.
But sometimes we get see the lessons cats, you know? And yeah.
Because ngibuza lokho nami nginokuyibuza lo mpahla and then I do not find the answer sometimes and say, okay, let's pay attention next time when it happens.
Yeah.
And then understand why it happened.
I think that's the key part, that word, understand why. Because I've been failing to understand why do I do certain things.
Yeah. Ne?
Then I had to go back and realize, no, the reason why I'm doing this is because something is missing in my life.
Sure.
And the very thing that is missing is something that for a long time ever. But now it's reminding me, hey, Baba.
Oh.
Dila nami manje.
Ulungise.
Now
Otherwise
la
kuzovela kanje.
usukhona sekumele ngabe uyadila nami manje.
Yeah.
La awusena choice.
Okanye usungiqedile.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because now where you trying to go, you can't go usanale nto. So dila nami ke manje la. You know, so I think iloko fethu yabona into esho ukuthi it's like you need to know why you do what you're doing.
Shabiri
Yabo.
yazi yabo kuleyo point le ngibona amajita amaningi eba successful flop. Yabo. So sometimes nami mase ngimove kwesinye ispace ithi fethu awulungise lezi zinto lezi lamaphutho wabonile kulamajita awashayile.
True.
Because khona amajita ashayike phambi kwethu. Amadala amanyonta ngabethu yabona. So but manje kuwena ithi mifika le mpahla ubona ukuthi okay uzoyibona. Iphinde ibuye ithi ekuse. If awuyenzi le nale. So mjakadile.
Noqhubeka mfethu mina ngizala uhamba nalo kahle mfethu ungasabi. Answer the I know. You know, my job is just to facilitate the conversation. Man, you know. Actually, I think there's a deeper layer for yourself. It's not just why am I doing this thing?
Yeah.
It's how did I get to a situation I had to do this thing again?
Yeah.
Right? Oh, that means people still perceive me as who help.
Yeah.
You know, what makes me be perceived that way? Or the way I speak, the things I say. Oh, there's a habit that I have. It's like that thing of, I'll give an example of myself.
Sure.
I don't like someone paying for me.
Yeah.
Like if we go somewhere, I know. I'll pay for all of your. Kanjani ngikhokhele mina?
Uthi masi nje.
Hawu ngithi hawu. Umuntu uyangikhokhela. All right, ngizomthola ke. Nami mele ngikhokhele, you see? And for me, it's something I don't mind doing, you know. But you must be able to identify. Oh, okay, I'm always at the till somehow. Nabad. All right, that means angisaham nabad. Because if I move with people, saying about like, you know, let's say I'm struggling with finances, that's how I'm going to think. I'm not going to just think, oh, I have this heart of paying for people. Then after I pay, I regret, hey, why did I pay? That's a tough one. How did I get there to pay? Oh, I got there because these people allow me to pay all the time. They don't challenge me to pay back. You see, now I'm not just looking at myself. I'm looking at the scenario around that situation. So I want to throw this to you, Uguti. From the first question, Uguti, what are some of those holes in your character that you've identified? Uguti, hey, actually, I'm stern. Actually, I don't take shit. Why? And then take us through from your point of view, Uguti, how did you deal with that and how are you dealing with it?
Yo, the one that I'm dealing with now, Jack, is trying to cause khona umunye umjita engangimbuka ekhuluma nge-focus on attention yakho mase drift. Which most of the time you do not catch it. Thina catch it later, but not when it's drifting. Yabo? Because khona lokho ukuthi, let's say you'll make a decision ukuthi okay, ngizoya ejimini, ngizovuka kusasa ekseni ngiye ejimini go 5. But uma usungayikwenzanga lokho in 3 days wavuka late, yabo usuke so late already because you should have known ukuthi wena why muye ejimini go 5 kumele ulale early, at least ilala before 9, yabo. But manje if when cause then kunalezo zinto ke lezi zincane, there's a major one that I'm dealing with now, Jack, mfethu ukuthi kuba nama moments where I've already committed to something, especially something that involves me, not omunye umuntu, ne? And then I find myself taking a break esikhaleni. Yabo? Ukuthi wethu, ubuthi sizokwenza lempahla. But manje, why are you doing this? Because ingqondo it always finds izinto ezi-interesting. So I'm trying to catch the drift while yenzeka ukuthi wethu wena ubuthe uzokwenza ukuthi. So lezo zinto lezo that I'm trying to work around. Yabo?
And then character-wise, would you consider yourself someone that is of good character?
Good character. Yes. Jaga dude. Yabo masigabeka abantu aba-100 la. Yes, sesabangikhethe kuyinto ehlukile zimpilo yami. No. No, I don't want to
Like, what is good, bro? Like,
yes.
what is good?
Yeah, because wonke umuntu une-assumption
Yeah.
yokuthi ugood.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why I don't wanna go there. Because wonke umuntu kanti mase sibuza abanye abantu besitshela ivali
Yeah.
ngawo. Iyabonakala ukuthi wena unamasimba kahle kahle. Yabo?
So I mean, I'm just shocked. Why umsiza?
No,
Uyabona ukuthi ngizoyakena after sokuthi mina mthi ngiyivale kunkanyisa ungazifike kimi. Wena ima ngisakwena ngisabuza ibra wami la.
Interview. It's a conversation. Because no mbuzo wakho na ubuza ukuba trika.
I know it's or no.
No, it's not a simple question.
No, khona indawo engifuna ukukuthatha kuyona, you know? Awuthi vele ngihambe nawe kahle, ngingaze ngikulahle. No, because I'm identifying something about you, ukuthi, with every question, when I gave you ego,
Yeah.
you have this way of shifting it away from your personal experience to an external way of answering the question.
Yeah.
So even now with the question I posed, it almost became a third person speaking rather than Unkanyiso speaking.
Yeah.
I want to speak to Unkanyiso, man.
Yeah.
I want Unkanyiso to tell me what he thinks about himself. Uguti.
Yeah.
I mean, Unkanyiso, I'm cunning. I go for what I want.
Yeah.
And this is how I operate because I want the viewer to see, because it's a brilliant thing that you have, not to go to cunning,
Yeah.
but you have a brilliant mind, but you always embed it in systems. You embed it in how you operate rather than who you are. You know, but I want to know who you are. I don't want to know how you operate. I don't want to see ukuthi vuka ngo-4 ulale ngo-6.
Yeah.
I want to know who's Nkanyiso when we remove running in the morning.
Yeah.
Who's Nkanyiso in the dark?
Lo guy loyo yabo manje nje buthi namanje I'm trying to do that.
Yes, I know you're going to do it indlela yakho.
Usashilo nje,
Usefuna
lo guy.
Yeah,
Ngikhuluma
usemashini.
in third person.
Yeah.
Because my understanding of a human being is that, Jack. Because then once I centerisha yaba when ila khona la ego le iba phezulu yabo more than anything. Because I mean angeke ngikwazi kum experience unkanyise because I'm always paying attention to ingqondo nezinye izinto ezenzeka kwi-system ekhanda. So uma ungibuza ngonkanyise ngibuza ngengqondo yami noma ngibuza ngani because iyona econtrol izinto eziningi. Uyayizwa le nto engisho. So we can go deeper like that, but I've been battling with that namanje ngizama ukuyi-understand khona umunye umjito ozama ukuyichaza ukuthi who are you wena u-I nje buthi u-I, what are you referring to muthi I urefere kwingqondo yakho noma urefere yini le kwenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi u-I uyile nto yona, because those are the characters that we build ourselves and then bese siyikhohlise kube iwona stakisa ngemuva because now you get ideas, you don't want to move from those ideas, you get beliefs, you don't want to move from those beliefs. Even wavuka wazala ungawakashemba ungakashemba, you don't want to move from that. So izona lezi lama beliefs la ugcina usucabanga ukuthi uno-I ngaphakathi yabo of which ingqondo yakhe ekwenziwa believe ingqondo yakho nememory astorisha zonke lezi zinto ezibuildeke kwi-subconscious yakho ezinye zazo. So hence unkanyiso kuwumuntu okumele abeseduze kwengqondo for me. Yes, hence I'll always refer to him as if ngikhuluma umunye umuntu. Yayizwa le nto engisho injalo.
I know ngiyakuzwa mfethu.
But
But
sorry. So
I'll
if separating umqondo wankanyiso nekanyiso you
Low
as-
physical
yeah,
sports.
physical.
Yeah.
Asikhulume ngalo unkanyiso before singene kulo wesibili umqondo wankanyiso.
Muphi ke lo ufuna
The
ukukhuluma
physical
ngayo?
one
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Let's
simbonayo
talk
lo
about
ohleli
that.
la
Yeah.
lo
Let's talk about
lesingambamba
that one
ngesandla.
first.
Bafethi lo hayi nizothola umqondo wakhe hayi lo. Ningazama but nizothola umqondo serious.
Yeah, and that's very
Yeah.
interesting for me, Uguti. Even that layer of yourself,
Yeah.
it's something that people must see, Uguti. There's almost a devoid of the self. You know, it's what makes you
What is devoid?
like you can separate.
Oh, okay.
It's easy for you to separate a situation with yourself.
Yeah.
Uguti, okay, I can't give you more credit than you are due, but
Yeah.
it's a good skill to have, Uguti. Uzi, keep it from yourself and just say, okay, what just happened here?
Yeah.
And instead of saying what just happened to me,
Yeah.
those are two different questions because one, I've separated myself from the scenario and I'm observing even myself in the scenario. With,
Yeah.
oh, I got angry. It's different to they angered me. You see, if I ask the question of it's they angered me. I got angry. It's the situation did this, that. So it's an interesting aspect to have. But before ngqhubeka nawe ngifuna ukulanda Shepherd. Shepherd, are you a good person?
Before uye kuShepherd, I would just like to know kuNkanyisa mfethu ukuthi how did you get to understand or know how to separate the physical Nkanyiso nomqondo
Yeah.
kaNkanyiso?
Ngiyayibuka njengemovie mangenza into. Njengoba ngihleli la ngiyayibuka. So njengoba ngihleli la observing ukuthi ngikhuluma kanjani, kwenzakalani, ngirespondani. The nature of your question, not exactly question ukuthi uthe uzama ukunderstanda yini, wena ungamnikezana. So ukuyibuka ngazi ukuthi imovie angazi ngayichaza kanjani la mpahla, but then I became aware of it mase ngifunda incwadi. Yabo, because it's I don't want to go to a case of emotional intelligence because ifana nayo. Because then uzothola awareness within that answer ukuthi aware of what is happening. Yabo, in a sense yokuthi ukwazi uyibuka kanje. No, it's always like that for me. Azihlangani zo2. Yabo, hence ngize ngasho ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuthi nizihlanganise. So there's no point where I've reached yokuthi manje ngiyayiseparate, manje ngiyiseparate. Hayi no. Sihlezi nje ngiyibuka njengemovie. Like uthethi manje wenzani? Sibuke wena uzibuze lo mbuzo le. Wenzani? Wenza uhleli kwi-podcast uhleli kanje nakanti wenza okay yeah so into kanjani. I think yagcina sijwayeleka kanjani.
It's a beautiful thing to have, and for you to be able to be
ibuza ngayo nani so Rosa qhubeka so
for you to be able to be aware of everything enzakala around wena, njengoba usho ukuthi uyibuka njengemovie angithi yabo ekhanda lakho, and ngaleyo ndlela leyo uyakhona ukuthi ungayitholi isikhathi esiningi caught up ezintweni ezingadingi, yabo, uthole usuxabana nabantu because of mawusuthi usuyayibukisisa leyo nto no kahle kahle lento bingangidingi, sifike kanjani ukuthi ngize ingiphathe kabi lento eshiwo uThedi kumina angithi yabo. So for you to have to know how to separate your mind to your physical you, that's very important ukuthi abantu bakithi they need to have that thing. But how do we then pass that message ukuthi okay iqala kuphi umsuka wayo for you to be able ukuthi ukhona ukwenza kanjalo wena for wena ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uziwenze njalo iqalephi?
Ayangiyazi bras. I think that's the only thing that I can try. Ukuthi manje nansi niyangithusa indleleni ibuza ngakuthi ni aware yini nayo ngani?
I mean I know
ngiyayibona yini.
Icon. I think sakhuluma ngayo that time.
It's just like you ubuka imovie but leyo movie wena owenzayo.
We starring futhi kuleyo movie ebukayo.
Not like that, Jack. Not like because you watch it in a sense ukuthi wena uyi-broadcaster not ukuthi uyi-starring uyi-vessel yayo mhlambe uyi-TV
but at the same time you are in control of it.
Yes, you know? No, that's why you then understand what you are in control of. Yes.
So I feel like also it's like another way of protecting yourself from zonke lezi zinto.
You know what my next question for Nkanyiso was going to be? When last did you experience hurt?
Oof.
I experienced that.
Good question.
When last? When was the last time? What hurt you last?
Engamele ngayikhumbula. Engamele ngayikhumbula.
Kwathi ngiyayibona.
Ngayikhumbula. Uyibonile indaba ngisithombe sakhe ngayikhumbula ngathi ingqondo irane fast kuma senior ngathi no that was not a hit, that was just a moment. Ngathi nansi nje ngathi angeke.
We learned this asambe nayo.
No, we are not going there because that one.
How did it make you feel?
Podcast. How did it make me feel? Because even in the moment, ngangihlezi ngibuza ukuthi ufila kanjani. Yebo, how do you feel right now? Yebo. It's do you know a definition here? Yeah, trauma. What's your understanding of it, trauma?
I've never experienced anyone.
No, what's your understanding of a trauma? When you say when we talk about trauma, what's your understanding of a trauma?
Something horrific that leaves a mark in your mind or
Yeah.
in the tapestry of your life.
Yeah, so it's something that when it happens, you don't know what to do, what you can do, or where to go.
Mm.
That's trauma. Like, yabo ingane encane, picture ingane encane ishawa uma wayo.
Mm.
Yabona lesa state ekusona ukuthi ngenze njani, ngibaleke noma ngenze njani.
Mm.
Because ayazi izozilwela uma wami lona but yabo. So that's trauma. It's those things that when they happen, you don't know.
Mm.
Yabo. So then somehow then you don't even know how to feel.
Mm.
Yabo. Into kanjalo. And then that's when umuntu angadraw khona conclusion that oh hey that was hateful because that was hateful.
But why are you externalizing Nalel? Just tell me how you felt. Sungitshela ngomuntu or how they gonna feel. So by conclude abona ngithi wena Kanyis. How did you feel? Or how did you feel when you were hurt? I don't want to know how you got hurt. Those details are
who
yours.
hurt
But
you?
Yeah.
how did you feel? Did you feel disappointed in the person? Did you feel lost? Did you feel purposeless? Did you feel like you didn't want to go outside? How did you feel? How did it make you feel?
Kushuthi ungizwa ufuna ngidefine ngokufila ne.
When what
If
did
you
you
feel.
feel? How did
Ukuthi
you
ngangifila
feel?
kanjani.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's trying to. He wants you to be vulnerable
Yeah.
and speak about the moment, the feeling that you had at that time when the whole thing happened.
Yeah.
So, what was it like? You know?
Okay. I think first and foremost, I'm someone who do not usually just cry.
Yeah.
Ne? So kunama events ambala empilweni yami angenze ngakhala. Yabo. So then iwona ke lawo moments lawo engikhuluma ngawo.
Also,
Yabo.
that
But
moment.
in that moment inkinga ngisho noma usukhala ucasula ukuthi why you khala because you don't know why you khala.
Mm.
So uzoyichaza kanjani ukuthi ngifila kanjani? Ngibe
This is what I want. This is what I want.
Because nama ngiyibuza. That's why ngize ngenza
That's what
umzekelo
I want,
nge-trauma
but-
because it's like you don't know.
No,
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
And then
Was it hayi what?
let's go to color bit.
Don't tell me,
Khulile.
So, do you think have you dealt with it?
No,
If
I don't
no-
deal ezinye izinto yena.
You haven't.
Yeah.
Okunye kwako, have you?
Yeah, some elements of it, yes.
And how did you deal?
So ukudila kwami nento ngiyithatha ngifake izinto eziningi ezenzeke ezinjalo empilweni nami ngivalela ku shelf zonke. Like not in a sense yokuthi uyazignora. Zinendawo ezifike zihlale kuyona uma ususe spacing sakho wedwa uyidonse leyo, yabo.
Udile ngayo?
So then ukuyidonsa mhlambe would be playing a specific song that reminds you of that thing. Yabo, into kanjani.
And then-
Because omunye umuntu umuthi uyibeke esayidini uzocabanga ukuthi uya-ignore. But
Yeah.
ingqondo yami yakwazi contextualize izinto iziphekhe kahle ku shelf futhi
Yeah.
okay, this is this, okay, this is the grief from this. This is a grief from ilose ukuthi okay, this is the pain yakho yakhumbula ngixoxa nge-ex ngishocked into kanjalo.
Yeah.
Zonke lezi zinto zikhona ukuthi okay, not ukuthi zigqitshiwe somewhere nowhere. Yeah.
But and then okunye bese kuba ukuthi the important ukuthi uzibeke kanjalo and deal with it
Yeah.
ngesikhathi odila ngazo lezo zinto and ungasigqibi.
Yeah.
How important is it ukuthi ungazigqibi lezi zinto? Because ekugcineni kuzofanele ukuthi ubhekane nazo.
Yeah.
And mongayifesi zizoziveza and mase ziziveza zona zizoziveza ngesikhathi strong endaweni wrong ungakwazi ngisho ukubaleka.
Yeah.
Before umpendule, I want to actually add ukuthi you won't know ukuthi isiyavela because the same way we explaining it trauma, like you know when they say someone is triggered, I always used to be confused with
Yeah.
man you triggered, what's in man you triggered no what? Somebody imoto zam triggered. And then I watched, I don't know if it was a podcast of
Yeah.
someone who went through something very traumatic,
Yeah.
and they're explaining how it's not that you want to be reacting to that scenario. It's your mind trying to avoid something
Yeah.
that they think is happening. So sometimes you could be in an argument with your partner.
Yeah.
But because the last arguments took you so far, you start to avoid arguments altogether.
Yeah.
That's a response to the trauma.
Mhm.
So, back to you. There could be things that, act a manj, the way you live your life now, that is just a
Trauma
result.
response.
But you won't be able to identify it
Yeah.
because there's something in our human nature called a blind spot.
Mm.
There are things that sit in spaces that I can never see. It's like when I said, I don't have the ego. Nothing I know, that's how now go check a score. But maybe truly in my heart, I believe I'm not ego.
Yeah.
The same way with you can believe. I mean, I understand my mind. But ngifaka izinto la, ngiwa shelf,
I know. I
However,
never. Okay. Sorry.
Eh, move that to me.
Yes.
However, I want you to maybe clarify that for me because
Yeah.
I want you to see something that you might have not seen, you know, now knowing this, Uguti. Hey, is there something that I've been thinking is a reaction from intelligence, but it's a response from Itrom?
Yeah. So then, if it's human nature to react that way, how am I supposed to know?
Through
Because you just said it's just human nature. How am I supposed to know?
by challenging when you do something.
By going back to Lentesho Shepherd, which when things happen and when you do things, then you ask yourself,
Why,
why lento yenza
By
ke?"
challenging,
Yes,
that's
so,
what I'm going.
yes. So, and I don't anghaleli kube fuck it, it's fine. Cishe ngazama ukujustify. So Jack injalo sibali. Hence ngisho ukuthi ezinye izinto masivele then ngiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay le response into ukuthi but it's nature, you can't avoid ukuba triggered vethu ngeke. But mase kwenzekile you then realize ukuthi I got triggered, then ube fortunate if ingqondo yakho yakwazi ukucabanga as far back as ukuthi this thing isukela la, le isukela la, le isukela la. Shit, I must pay attention to this thing. Yabo? And then it comes back differently ngendlela ongeke uzuyibona.
Has that ever happened to you? Like,
Yeah, kuyenzeka mfethu. It's human nature, kuyenzeka manje, kade kwenzeka manje. It's human nature, brother. Yabona we agree ukuthi kunezinto ezifethu noma ungablind kanjani umuntu, unama blind spots.
yes.
So how am I supposed not to have blind spots? Because ngingelo sanje ngicabanga ukuthi
mina
ngiblind.
ngisho ukuthi awunazo.
Yes,
Bengifuna
but
nje
we just
ukuthi-
so if you are making if I've explained it like this and then you push it like that, then uzongenza ngisime ngazuthi ngibambelela kwi-belief ebhedayo. No.
No. Let me maybe reframe where I'm going, ne?
Okay,
Because I'm seeing something that I'm really interested in exploring
sure.
in you. It's the third person strategy of living. I don't know if you're familiar with Stoicism,
Yeah,
where you almost understand that you can't control external factors,
yeah.
so you create layers within your mind to almost protect your peace. Because that's all I'm hearing is that you keep your peace.
Daw promesha lo mpala.
Yeah.
And uyabona ngisi ukuthi bayabona nabo le nto engiyibonayo.
They sharp ram.
It's very
Yes.
But I think Jack leyo nto bethu iyakusiza bona especially musu uphile nabantu for isikhathi and then you realize ukuthi ekuse mina bethu ngumuntu ohlezi othanda ukuba into my mind and in myself and in my own world. So therefore, I don't want anybody to come and distract me while I'm in my own world. Because in my own world, that's where I flourish and that's where I can create things and then give back to certain things that if ngina abanye abantu bangayimosha lento. So I might as well just protect this thing because kunabantu bethu cishe ba personal.
No, it's a safe space.
It's not a safe space. I'm a camera on.
It's a safe space. Khuluma
It's a safe space.
Ukhubuzelana
It's
You think I missed it?
Sisekhaya.
No, but
Ikhona ithishu.
yeah. Sabona man.
Asikumember futhi.
Yeah, relaxani.
Yeah,
No, it's
Like it is.
relaxing.
Yeah.
Relaxing.
Bakenzani?
So, but what I'm trying to say is, if it's kuyasiza sometimes about to be in your own world and then try your best to be at peace with everyone else. Because but sometimes unabantu bethu ukuhlale nabo konke awona nosilima. So in order for me ukuthi ngiyisize kumele ngidena lesilima angisi-avoid ngayo yonke indlela. Because i-reasoning yabantu bethu ibalulekile ukuthi uyi-understand, especially abantu esihlala nabo nabantu esibabonayo at large. Now we're living in days where, bro, a fool will just tell you into obona ngathi ubulima le. But abantu bayisupport leyo nto. But ubulima lo, you know. Why? Because we've done ngale ndlela ukuthi abantu bethu sebe paying attention nabantu abayibhubhu who don't have anything to say. So therefore, you look at all of these things and you realize, in order for me to protect myself, let me just be in my own world, not allow all this nonsense to affect me. Yeah, well, so yeah, I think iyasiza ilento prime iyamsebenza.
Anichaze bafethu nisuke navumelana ngathi nomuso waziwahleka. Yini le nisuke niyibone ngiprotecta ngayo peace bafethu. It's interesting.
I was gonna get you there, but
Yeah.
you know what happened is
Yeah.
okay. There's two things I'm seeing, right? You don't like to be put in a position where you need to explain yourself because you don't feel the need to, right? And I'm putting you in that position. I'm saying, explain why you do that. And then when you give me an answer, I dismantle your answer and I want you to peel deeper. But it doesn't work for someone who does not allow external things to influence him.
But I think also check sort of, I think maybe indlela obuza ngayo. Because what I've noticed with Unkang is, I said Kogwana proud.
Okay, sure, case press.
Whenever we having conversation, it's always about how do we ask the question. Because in this cats where uzokwenzeka something, mhlambe kube khona indlela ekubuzwa ngayo and then you just like. But mase yonke into right sekutholakele grand. Then mase yaqala yayibuza yabo ngendlela yakhe ukuthi hayi buka.
I'll give you an example of when
Sumesikade but uvelewa manje usebuya. Do you understand what I mean?
Let me give you an example of Ubra. It's like angizofuna mina bethi I have yeah ngizokufaka
That episode thing out la yabo.
Yeah, kunyeka bafethu. Jakade
uzokhula bethi uthe ungicelile ukuthi ngibe host. So ngiyahosta ke manje.
Abantu abayifunayo sakhathi.
No bethi ngifuna
wakrosa kakhulu abantu online. Yabo le information ofuna ngiyikhiphe check. Kunabantu ababengincenga ukuthi kanyiswa ukhuluma bafethu ngithi mina yani mina.
No, but it's good ukuthi now you must identify it because what I'm picking up is that it's the equivalent of I don't like to bring things into race, but it's the equivalent of a confidence that a white boy has in being white. I'm devoid the people in the US who are bashing it, you know, but there's this thing that is instilled in them through the systems that their parents built, going to a good school, being that thing, the opposite of what poverty does to you. Abundance creates something in you. And sometimes when you pull one of them and try to probe, they don't know, Uguti. They actually think the way they think because of some of those systems that allowed their minds to have that peace. So now sometimes I need to figure out, are you conscious of what you're doing? And then sometimes you fall victim of it and then I see Uguti, he's not conscious. He's just living off the grace of Lalelabantu, looking at mentors, because that's another thing I wanted to take you back to. But we'll get to that. The example I want to give is there's one way. You don't like to look incompetent, even in spheres where you are incompetent, unless you chose to be a student in that moment. If you didn't ask to be taught, please don't teach me. And when someone tries to teach you, you defend yourself. It's so cute.
Yeah, what with that check? Sometimes I have to admit to myself David. Athi sifunde lempahla and then bese siyayifuda. But mangeke admit ukuthi because kwezinye ngathi uthi ungahluleka ufail and then you learn. Because you understand ukuthi nanzi lempahla engishayile and then you learn.
But do you think that's a response? Because that's what it looks like to me. That it's a response from something. Like, I'll give you an example.
Yeah.
Eskoleni, there's always that kid, ongafundi kakhulu, but ushayo A. And then khona lo fundayo, ushayo B. Now that one ushayo B, akafundi ukulalela ushayo A. Akafundi njengami nje lo. So I want you to try and peel it for yourself. Just try and work it out ukuthi, why do you only want it in your terms?
Yeah.
Why can't it be by others' terms? Ukuthi bakufundise nje. Bungafundi nje ukufunda, but bayakufundisa manje and you're like, yazini, sebayangifundisa. And instead of me trying to go figure this out, why don't I just allow myself?
I think ilento to approach life with lento kade ngisho ukuthi I'm a student of life. Kunezinto engisuke ngi-interested ukuyifunda. And that I'm paying attention to, that I open myself to learning sometimes. ezinye mase ziqhamuka uthi uyambona nothisha uthi hayi thisha hey awumele kancane le ngathi ngingakayifundi ke kwena yabo so into kanjalo.
But you need why is the teacher more important than the lesson?
Because isource.
I'm saying why is
isource
like
like
I want you to why though why?
nanokuthi mina mangifuna ukufunda into ne mangifuna ukufunda into angithi ngisuke ngi-open ukuthi ngifuna ukufunda ungangifundisi into engingafuna
I'm saying
uzophoyilething ingqondo yami mfethu.
No, awungizwa mfethu. Let me give you an example.
Because I can make let me tell you this, yabo. So some of those moments when they happen, I go back to endlini. It's mina. Mfethu, into ukuthi nokuthi ireziwe kanje na kanje. Why did you respond like that? And then why ungafundanga ukuyifunda kanje, yabo?
And then
Realize ukuthi that was a mistake. And I was like, yeah, ne, sharp. Okay. And then I'll discuss it with someone next to me at the moment. Because I've come to you, nenkinga zami angithi uyazazi amanye ama-shortfall ami. Because I'll do that. Utho ukuthi enzeke somewhere, but I'll present them to you ukuthi except yazi kudaleke into naku-Shepherd, I'll do the same thing mangihleli nakumusa nakuThedi because I'm outside of that now, yabo. Mfethu i-flop le, yabo. Especially misizoqhamuka kanje i-flop. Ungayilungisa kanjani next time ngaphuma nesisombululo sokuthi awukuzama ukufunda ngisho noma le mpahla yabo uyibona ukuthi ayimasha awukuzama ukuyinikeza isikhathi
and uyayenza leyo nto
ngisazofuzama ukufuna but ngiyitshelile manje ukuthi yabo manje mfethu mabezama ukufundisa awuzama
ufunde
but manje I think manje the key kuyona try and find the way. Angazi kanjani uzithola but try and find the way ukuthi mawukwenza lokho.
Sure.
Like giving others that teachable moment ukuthi bekubonisa about something or bezama ukufundisa about something. Uveze kahle openly ngendlela sharp not ngendlela ezobe siqhamuka ngathi manje.
Yeah, yazi-ke bro, so kuleyo point le angithi uyakhumbula ngithi no yakhumbula ngithi mina nginenkinga ye leadership ne ngahlala no Brown what Brown I think nginenkinga ye leadership yabo athi okay sihlale sixoxe athi akusiyi leadership le wena unenkinga yokukhuluma kuma moments thizeni yabo isivelileke leyo nto but true lamase hayi ukuthi I hope I'm making sense. I don't need to explain further than that.
You are.
Yeah.
Ozana.
Because it's something that I'm willing to learn, that I'm learning manje. So okay. Communicate kanjani ke manje kuma moments kanje na kanje. So now asithune in leyo part leyo ukuthi okay manje kwenzeka ukuthi. So asifundeke la si reactor into kanjani. Yebo.
Yeah, Shepherd.
I went back nje kwelinye ibhuku futhi ethi athi ngabuyela kulona ngathi okay yathi yeah batata hayi wena asikahleke
ukubambile ne ando bengizobuyela ku Shepherd kancane mfethu ngimbuze nje ukuthi
interview
ubujaka interview
conversation
no bengizombuza into esimple emnandi actually
check let's go
no bengizothi nje what was that moment for you mfethu Shepherd that wabona ukuthi I have to believe in myself because a lot of people I see it especially when I hire someone they really believe in the company or they're selling me ukuthi I can give you my life basically but I'll do what it takes I will prove myself I will make this business X Y Z but then you get people who believe in themselves ukuthi I am the one who's going to make a way for myself. When was that turning point? High school, outside of high school. What was that moment where you saw, actually, there's something about me that merits me going for a grander life?
I don't think there was that specific moment. I think it's been a series of izinto ezenzakile in my life and knowing that I wanna be better, you know, and do better and not look like where I come from, you know. So there's been that, but for me, there's never been that one moment. So I always want to improve, bro. Hence, I'm very curious about future, about innovation. So, for me, bro, it's always about what is the next thing now. Where are we going? How are we improving? And then local, kokuthi ukholelwa kuwona Jack if le nto iqale edladleni yanto yabo if abazali bakho abayitshali le nto kuba nzima ukuthi ukholelwe kuyona because the society is gonna tell you ukuthi ubani, circumstances are gonna tell you ukuthi ubani, the environment is gonna tell you ukuthi ubani. But if you don't have umzali who's gonna play a role yokutshela ukuthi how great you are and ukuthi ungaba yini or ungenzani, ilapho because iningi lethu, especially if you have never been loved right at home, and yazi mfethu vele ushawe nje uba ne-low self-esteem chief, uhlakaniphile, ugrand, u-right, and opportunities akumise just because you have low self-esteem and no one has ever told you how great you are. Kade ukhuluma ngey'ntwana zase-US manje, America fethi vele ibe ne-world champion but it's America, ngenela ama-American ward. What's that? So it tells you how much they believe, in themselves, which they are the greatest, That is something else, Ubuka nje kuyimanje, you're seeing this race, AI, and they believe they're going to win the AI, but they lose already, China is ahead, but they still believe they're going to win, So I think le nto first idinga ukuthi ifakwe edladleni kuqala. I'm grateful ukuthi ngibe ne-old lady who made sure ukuthi le nto uyayifaka, I mean, even when a situation uyibone ukuthi yabona kuyo yonke le nto umuntu ayiphuphayo nafuna ukuyenza, but I don't think it's gonna happen, but you still believe ukuthi just because I know ukuthi my mom said that, and I also believe in myself, and of course I've seen how great I can be, because bethu into emnandi, right, especially if you are a believer, you know very well ukuthi God has got a good plan for your life. Anything else along where you ask, it's part of the process, but I know where I'm going, because you are assured by the word of God ukuthi impilo yakho fethi sharp chief, but anything else ozohlangabezana nazo endleleni, it's part of the process or a journey ala uyakhona. So mina, the thing that ebiyenza nje ukuthi i-belief ibe khona, support from my mom and the word of God, and nokwazi ukuthi hayi ngintswempu chief. And mawubuka ilineage abantu engibuya kuyona from umkhokho wami uzokufa, that guy was one guy obekade akha ikhali zemabutho kaShaka. So I look at my lineage and I look at the people who were great for my lineage, and looking at my dad as well, how good the guy was, because he used to travel Benz Katsami and even nezinto ayezenza ngezandla zakhe, certain things ayebuilda lapha emzini wakhe. So when I look at all those people and the lineage engibuya kuyona, and then how can I not be great, dog? When kinabantu vethu ne-template yabantu who have done stuff, So I'm like, nah, bro. Whatever you think about me, I know I'm great. So yeah, I believe in myself, man.
But have a
ukungena kancane before
zokunikeza
Alright,
ufuna nje
sure.
ukumphusha kancane. As you're speaking, something came to my mind. Do you feel like you are where your potential can put you?
No.
Why?
To be honest with you, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I've had this conversation with myself on the 31st of December last year, and I realized ukuthi ngiyasaba. You know what I mean? Like, I have this thing kimi ukuthi I can't just go alone, I want to bring a lot of people with me, to where I'm going. I know where I'm going, but it's like I don't want to go first, ngiyibekile, because once ngaba right ngizobakhohlwa, kanti inhliziyo yami ikubona labantu laba engifuna, So to answer you, dog, it's been that, and I had to debate with myself. I'm like, Miles, come on, bro, do this and then, you know, but it's like, ish, le nto engiyifuna but it's too big ngale ndlela ukuthi mangihlala phansi ngibona iyenzeka bro, isiyenzeka. Angiboni ukuthi ngizoba naso isikhathi sokuya phansi ngiyobalanda. Because ngizobe sebengasakwazi ukungithola. I was just being honest with myself and I'm like, bro, if this can happen, I don't think I'll be reachable. And I don't want that. So, yeah, I look.
Have you made up your mind ukuzubashiya?
No, I haven't.
And
That's
what?
why I'm here.
Ibizobuzana uThethi, ubuzobuzana.
I know benizomngenisa mfethu. Uyi-hosting.
No, bengena ukuthi uShepard ahambe kakhulu kanti unisho uThethi.
Hey, yazi,
Nabantu
yazi,
bayahalala ubuza ukuthi bezobuzana.
Yeah, kodwa wena uyi-hosting ngiyakubuza nje. Ngiyazijahela. Khuluma nje.
Ukuthini ngoba bengifuna ukuthini yazi ungilahle ngempela mfethu.
Yeah, dlula-ke.
Awukanti sithi siyazama indaba yakho.
Uyangilahla kanti bethi ibalekile abantu bakithi bayidinga.
Khuluma bra wami.
Bayidinga. Sangithi yabo uShabiri bethu uza nezinto ezibaleke kakhulu la ngithi yabo. But manje ngifuna ukubuza mfethu inside ukuthi ngayike intwana umuntu wakithi oselokishini nabo onganayo iprivilege mfethu yokuba neoledi elimphusha njengawo ongakholelwa futhi nakuyena angithezwa leyo and manje uyazi ukuthi ilokishi injani or ispace environment ikhuluma imtshela otherwise yalento le yathi ibelief nyana anayo angithebo leyo so manje uyiqala phi ukuthi ayibuild nokuthi avale indlebe zakhe ayenza kholelwe kuyona lento le ngaphandle kwalabanye abantu laba bakhona bazokwazi ukuthi bamkhuthaze bamphushe njengoba ioledi liphushe wena ukhuluma uthini ke
Yenye ke lebuzo uThethi.
Elokishini brother, into nje ehlangane nomuntu omnyama. I was saying this nalapha kuvuma. Sengikhathele lento ukuthi kube ngazi ukuthi abantu abamnyama fethu bayi-charity case yabo or kanjani ngabo. You know, we are dealing with humans who have brains who are capable of doing things, who think for themselves. So I felt like to answer your question, but ngingafuni kwanda kakhulu. Awala fethu lento yase yalama location esibuya kuwona sihlala kuwona most of us. Ukukholelwa kuwe it's hard ukuthi ungakholelwa kuwena ukuleya environment. Akulula brazo. The way it's so structured and it's set up. Ayikho into etsikholelwa kuwe lapha. Like ayikho brazo. And kuba nzima fethu for njengoba ngichazela about the part edlalwa umzali. If awunayo umzali and abekho abanye abantu abayibonayo lento ukuthi kusele ntwana le ikhona lento ngayo, you know, kuba nzima ukuthi kwawena ke izikufikele lento yokuthi ungakwazi ukukholela kuwe because bethi lokishi likushaya ngendlela yokuthi uba paralyzed ungaboni lutho ngaphandle kwalento oyibonayo. The only time I remember there was this child, bro, yo, lanto yangenza I was so emotional. So kunomntwana lafana elokishi ngaseka hlakaniphile yabo. And manje so I decided ukuthi kusenge ngizoyisiza le ntwana. It was back then, I think in 2022, yeah. 2022 or 2023. Amthatha fethu, I think when I was 18, I was doing matric at that time. Well, I was at Gateway. 18, hlala emlazi. I has never been to Gateway. Hlezi ezwe. Ngitshela ukuthi fethu sathi sigene Gateway, bro. She was like looking. And you could see this kid, bro, is so emotional. You can't kunjena la put malos. You know, it was something else. Like not to say Zulini teeth. And I realized ukuthi fethu yabona lento as a lokishi ukubambe ubophe endaweni eyodwa. Kuba nzima ngempela ukuthi uyicabange enye into engapha. Because this is all you know. So kuba nzima ke nanokukholelwa ukuthi kungakhona into engcono fethu ongayenza wena or ongayakha whatever, you know what I mean? So what I'm trying to say when I say ukuthi you have to try your best, bro, to look from within you. Ukuthi, what is there? You know? That because kunento phethe efakwayo. I remember lento phethe snathi phethe sisala phana nama out. Ukuthi there was that thing yokuthi say, we don't belong here. We gotta get out of this place. It was just there, chief. It was there every day when I come back from boarding school. I mean, every holidays, man, we're boarding school, khuluma namajit. The angibuyile nje, the conversation will start. Ayatwana sesibala nje. You know, mnyaka embala siyevasa siyaphuma la. Because it was just there. Sikhula fesidlala imoto sidlalana. We knew ukuthi this is not the place esophelela kuyo. You know, so for intwana fethu ekulezo indawo okuzime njalo. Le anti khona, but just then how do you know, make sure ukuthi you get it out and try and maneuver ukuthi uphuma kanjani lapha, yabo. So into efana lezi, whether you talk of podcasts or reading books, ziyakwazi ukuthi zikusize fethu. But ma ungekho ekuzona uzokwenza njani? Uzohlala ke lapha ekonini kaMuhammad nidla ama snacks. Uzokholela kanjani kwena? You see, so I think ilokho brazo man. Cause inzima yona brazo angifuna ukuqamba manga ukuthi hey I today to Shapira.
Ngizobuza wena Nkanyiso, on your side unga encourage kanjani mfethu lo muntu?
Uyamuzwa uje? Uyamuzwa
Ngimzwile kahle.
Uzowadlala lokusho.
I mean, the way I was brought up, I don't think I've ever shared this, ne? But people assume ukuthi mina ngaphila a life that was easy.
Mm-hmm.
The life I lived.
Yeah.
Do you understand to be a foreigner in 2000? You don't understand, ne? You'll never understand. It's not a joke. So that thing of Uguti finding that reason, because the way I look at it is always the opposite. Uguti. The darker your situation, there's an energy you can tap into.
So sorry, check. Uyabona when for you to even identify yourself that you are foreign, you know that you do not belong here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do you understand? Okay, not good. You do not belong in a sense that you do not belong. Awu yena wala, yabo. Cabanga kumuntu oselokishini owazi kahle ukuthi yena wala uzofela la uzophelela la. Mtsheleke lo muntu abelieve ukuthi kunenye indawo asuka kuyona okanye aya kuyona.
No,
when you know ukuthi you come from somewhere.
No,
yabo.
Awungizwa mfethu. Mina first of all lo muntu uBoogie podcast.
Yeah.
You see. Mm-hmm. The same way Boogie podcast, that means singakhuluma again. We're talking to him lo Boogie podcast. Asikhulumi nomuntu oyivalele kamereni ohlale lokishini ngoba sikhuluma kanjani naye. Sikhuluma nomuntu oBoogie podcast, that means une phone.
Yeah.
That means kune phone yakhe, kune YouTube. Kunezinto that he's able to see. Kune TikTok. Uyabona umuntu othenga G63. Even if ngekafike gateway, uzoyibona ke phone. So speaking to that person, that's what I was saying. What Shepherd said is very important. They must find it in themselves. Where I am, I shouldn't want to be there. The same way Nabo, they felt it within themselves. They had the privilege of going to those places and coming back and saying, if you don't have the privilege of going, at least you have the privilege of listening to us. So I'm now taking you, Ngiti. Is there anything when unga add?
Yeah.
So
what I was trying to do was to make him or her understand ukuthi ngiyambona ngiyamuzwa by first emphasizing the point la Shepherd understand isisindo salento yade show Shepherd, because le situation abheka nayo understand isisindo sayo through uShepherd lento aqeda kisho yabo, and then you can then give an advice so that naye make ilalela abona ukuthi alamajita understand ukuthi kunjani,
and we shy uShepherd.
Yes, hence I was firstly acknowledging that first.
Because
we need to echo it. It was not personal to you. We need to echo that ukuthi inesindo kangakanani lento ekade ikhuluma. Before we naye because mele understand ukuthi bethu sisonke siphuma nje busho na ukuthi uphuma khona.
I mean bethu bengidla lengasho bethu. Fuck
check mina ngikhule nabantu ababengcono kunami bethu. In a sense yokuthi in every kuthiwa ibhola thiwa yini umuntu obonayo ukuthi lo uya organ lo uye TV lo uya like abanye badala bangayindawo uthi uyabona abahambayo uyabona ukuthi hayibo mfethu like abahambayo bayabuya fast. Do you understand? Then try to then build self belief through lezo zinto lezo. It's so, but in a sense, but guess ngizama ukuyishotnisha before ngistretche kakhulu le. There's if you don't find it outside indaba ukuthi ukwazi ukubelievela kwena, because sometimes somehow you'll always think ukuthi izinto ezithile ezabobani. Also and so abantu abangakwazi ukwenza into ukuthi, because coming from that place you do not think ukuthi there's something greater within yourself that can help you achieve okanye ekufisela ukuthi uzi-achieve lezi zinto lezi, because wena even if noma ucabanga i-idea ucabanga ukuthi leyo idea angeke ikwazi ukwenzeka, uhlezi uzosithola isizathu ukuthi why ingeke iphumelele le idea yakho icabangayo, but you've never looked at life as if lento yami yazi ngamasha yazi ngingavele ngishaya ngayo ama-million. Ngiphuma kwi-group engangikuyona engangiqale lento yokushutha ngawabuza amajita ukuthi bafethu, what if lento yokushutha esenza manje nithi nina i-online agency iyona nto engashayisa i-million lethu lokuqala empilweni? Ningabehave ngale ndlela enibehave ngayo manje ukuthi ningayithathi serious, because as much as ingazi ukuthi mhlambe photograph ayithatheki serious and asiyazi ukuthi izosisa kuphi, what if yona-ke into ezoshayisa inyuka yangempela? Athi amajita siyakuzwa kangizanzange ngiyangizwa kodwa ningizwa sharp. Hence I started hence nga-operator ngedwa.
But you can't blame them though.
So angibablame Shapir, because I'm trying to highlight ukuthi umuntu nomuntu kumele understand ukuthi ngaphakathi kuyena kunento emfisela izinto ezinhle, ehalela ukuthi a-achieve izinto ezinhle, efuna ukumvulela indlela ukuthi aka-achieve izinto ezinhle. But if wena uma uzoqala into ucabanga lokho okunegative, lokho okubhedayo okanye lokho okungamisa lento yenzayo,
imashi
ayikho into
you'll never go anywhere futhi.
Ayidingi nokuthi ubuyibuza ngaphakathi kwena kunento efuna wena u-achieve izinto ezinhle, kunento wena efuna wena wenza izinto ezi-right. Wena kuma uzoqala into anything ucabanga ukuthi wena uthola isizathu ukuthi wayengeke imashe ngoba wena
Hayi imashi
ayikho
at
into
that point.
cabanga mina ngaziwa abantu ngiblind ngesithombe, uba wakwavunywa ekasini lami ngesithombe sengila manje ngaziwa ngezinye izinto but waphelele lokushinje Musa ekuphathana u-20 awungabukela wena kumabhoyisana. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So manje wazi umhlaba
kunotha la
wonke wazi umhlaba wonke ngokuthi wena ushuthithe into ebheda kanje, not ukuthi yabheda, but you are not a lawyer, you are not an accountant, you are not a doctor, you are not a teacher, you are not into kanjalo, yabo.
I know ngiyakuzwa mfethu.
Amajita athintile bafethu into ezibalekile ezi-serious nama-responsibility isele kuyena umuntu wakithi manje obukayo one-opportunity ukuthi abuke la. Bayishiya amajita lento ukuthi look inside of you first. Ifune lento bayithi yabo amajita ashile ibheke uyicingisise within you, uzoyithola mfethu lento efuna izinto ezi-grand, and then focus kuyona, ufaka umqondo wakho kuyona and wenze yonke indlela ukuthi leyo nto iyenzeke. Ungayibuka ezi-negative, awubheke i-positive. Qale lapho i-start.
Danko. Ushepard ufuna ukungibuza something.
No, uyayiqala yabo the topic about how hard it was for you la ukhule khona, and so my thing is, how have you navigated the whole thing? Because you said you came early in early 2000.
1992.
Yeah.
1992.
No.
All right. Okay.
Late 90s.
Why
early
ngekazala
2000s.
kucheck it2K.
Lalela ndaba mfethu. Lalela.
Kucheck it2K. Early 90s akayazi.
Isane ngifaka kuma 2Ks no. Anyway.
Wangasikhohlisa akayazi into ama-90s. Check
Isane
ayazi
manje no.
kokucela
All
ungaliki.
right, let me take you back here ngoba bafethu. You know, this is actually, I've never, the way my life operates is I never frame in the negative. Like I don't even speak about Uguti, how rough things were. I remember this one time with my wife, she made some food and she was saying, oh, I think I put too much salt. And she's seeing me eat it with so much vigor. And she's like, oh, the food, was it really nice? I'm like, you don't know what I've been through. You think salt can stop me? Have you eaten rotten food? This food is rotten, but it's the only food they can.
Yeah.
Isinkwa ebolile ukhipha amaphathi uyishayo and it's not like uzoyidla with iphatha. No, have you ever eaten bread with cooking oil because you've experimented? You ate dry bread, it hurt you. What's it? Oil angithini yeah how
Yeah,
uthathe isinkwa ifake with cooking oil. Have you lived? Uphuma esikoleni, you come home, there's no food, nilale nivuke.
Into zakhona.
Oh boy. And it's not even like you're suffering. You need any go. My friends, I've suffered, there's nothing ongangitshela. We used to live we room. You see the sets there?
Yeah.
It's bigger than the house we're staying in. It's about 8. Silala kuma plastic chair. My mom would hlanganisa ama chair kanje. I was still a baby, so I would lay with her. We couch. Then Rusen, Jeremy, my cousin wami. Kuma plastic chairs. I've seen that house. We went back one combi. See that room there? It's Puma corn. So when I hear people saying, hey, suffering, there's no social grants. I call granting zoitola. We are calling back police. Isibongo sakho khalala vele bakubuke nje ingane encane, there's no filter. Bazokutshela lento abafuna ukukutshela yona. Have you ever suffered? Oh, mfethu. But in my head, that's just part of the journey. It's more reasons why I need to succeed. And it actually brings me to what I wanted to talk to Shepherd about. This thing of ungafuni ukushare abantu ngemuva. As I was saying, when we eating that bread with oil, we were better than my cousins who they didn't have anything to eat. At least Nina sne bread and rotten, because how we used to get this bread actually is how we used to get this bread. Albany, they used to throw, when they eat all, they throw bread if no one buys. So my dad would go lape at Jonathan Spa, Ayolinda, when they throw the bread. Awaland, figure endlini. So manje umuntu uzongitshela ukuthi ube suffering ngibona manje. Ngeke understand this stuff. Siphuma kude mfethu, we suffered. Meat.
Yes, I hate.
Nidla inyama. But anyways, let me take where I want to take this is actually ukuthi that thing of ungafuni ukushare abantu bethu, that fear thing you spoke about ukuthi that fear
that's the fucked up part about success, ne? Jackie ngangena intwana manje ibone the things that we've achieved and ibuke lezi zinto zenzayo mase icabanga ukuthi iyona ngoba iyahlupheka ngeke ukwazi ukufika lapho. That's the shit that you see the day you realize that most of the people aba successful basuka kude kanjani nempilo in terms of ukuhlupheka. That's when you realize that actually nami ngicapable.
Ungalala phansi mina.
Mfethu. Ukuthi wena uyahlupheka kusho ukuthi mfethu kuzomela ufele la.
Khona.
Mfethu no.
And bafethu.
Yabona ungabuka umjakadula manje ngeke ukhona.
And bafethu I feel like that's why it is very important ukuthi we share these stories.
Yeah.
I've never shared this story, but I don't like to talk about it passive.
Because yes, izinto esifuna ukuyishiya emva kwethu focus on the positive things while build siba grand.
Sure.
But lo muntu wakithi lo ozalwa manje ufika manje okubona sekubona manje ongayibonanga zonke lezi zinto that we had to go through akasazi leso story. Bona bazi sebazuthedi oshaya ikhofi nje ikhofi nani owazunjani i-champion umhlaba bazi lezo zinto ukuthi mfethu usukaphi kanjani angithi only labo engikhule nabo will know angithi yabo. So we need to share these stories sikhulume nabantu bakithi ukuthi bafethu nathi sila sikhona la siqale khona angithi yabo nakhona asakafiki sisafuna ukuya. We need to share these things, Buffett.
But he's actually taking me back. But there's this day, because manje ngesikhathi efika la ne. Remember there's language barrier but then wathula igig dies. So she used to sell Hawik. Ehamba nami mfethu. Engifaka, you know those red bags, those bags that if people are going to sell far, kunalama bags are red.
No.
Yeah, red and white, shocking. Ungifaka ngaphakathi, yes. That's why I would lay. It's avula izip kancane. It's so crazy that I still see it. Mfethu.
Yeah.
Gaba mfethu, angeke understand. Even ngibona manje.
Bani bayibiza ngani? Umthwalo what?
Let's go to kumfika namthwalo.
Yes.
Mfethu bengihlala kuyona leyo bag, yes. Anyways, mfethu.
Dama singakhuluma ngepast bafana bami.
Awungeke ngikholwe, ngeke ngikholwe.
No, check ukuthi check ungathuka dog.
Nganyiwa kakhulu.
Ngoba ngisho ukuthi wonke umuntu une story sakhe.
Yeah.
And my struggle and your struggle ayifani.
Mm.
And mangixoxo yami mhlambe nawe ngathi fuck. Kanti ngihleze ngithi yabo
I'm telling you, Tina, we were the better one. Do you understand what I'm saying?
dog.
Now the single we were the better one because my cousins would come. Bazoncenga kuthina. And I'm thinking, kanti bona banjani? Njengoba socela kuthina la.
Bake bekucela bathini kubeda kubona kanje. Shapi penza ubuzosho something ungashayeki kanje ke
No, but
ama camera ya record.
So lento mfethu this is painful because you didn't choose yazi mfethu indawo zalo lekuyona mfethu
Okay.
and it's so lento
You know,
Umusu ukhuluma ngabe sekwekhona umuntu othi glorify poverty.
hey mfethu
that you see me. That's why I've never, even you've never heard the story. You've known me how long? It's because I don't like to like hear sympathy with, oh, can't you came from so far. Now meet me now. Let's push who understand with the mentality that you need to have to be successful is not one that sympathizes with struggle.
Sure.
I don't sympathize. And that's why it's hard for me to feel sorry for anyone. Umuntu angitshela ukuthi, I'm in this situation because of this. Ngiyambuka nje ngithi, okay. Now what? Okay. You okay? Yeah.
Ukuhlala lapha
Ufuna ukwenzani njengamanje? And I
bro.
Do you understand? Ukuthi nami they didn't just give me silver spoon.
No, khona i-out yami yake yangikhalela ingixoxela iy'tori zayo. Kithi bra mkhululeka lapho ngixoxela eziwesi. Ufuna senzeni-ke manje?
Yeah.
Asenze imali or something. Ufuna senzeni? Otherwise ukukhalelana.
But I see. But Shepherd, this I want.
ngey'tori man
No, Shepherd, there's something that I was going to with that first question, and then the second question that I asked you, Guti, are you where your potential can take you? And then what's the reflection you had on the 31st? Obon Guti, you're afraid, and it's not Guti the fear of you're afraid that you will fail, but it's the fear of that. What if I actually succeed?
no I know I'm going to succeed
Let's go. Take me
you
there.
know inkinga ukuthi
Mm-hmm.
when I succeed would I be able to be reachable? That's my thing because I've seen abantu bethu bephumelela and bezama ukusiza abantu but once bephumelela kube nzima mfethu umuntu angasatholakali yabo and the very people that whether bathembisile or whatever ukuthi mzukwane you know kwalunga I'll make sure you know and then now akusenzeki you know so now the disappointing kubantu as if like you've sold out you know I think yenye izinto esangishaya because I feel like yabo kunabantu mhlambe engibakoletayo but I don't know ukuthi ubani. You know, to come to think of it, it's like kunaleyo nto ekhanda and I've been struggling with that thing for all of my life because le nto mangiyibuka fuck man into especially in black families Jack yabona le struggle sasedlaleni yabo njengoba usichaza kanje kunalento ekuwena subconsciously yokuthi I must make sure ukuthi I take care of my family. You know, it's like my family comes first. When uzangagcina. But it's not supposed to be like that though. But ngenxa struggle bro osibonile. So wena sowungcono. So manje kumele uzame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi lesi struggle asibi khona kulabo abanye. And somehow leyo nto inakho mfethu ukubuyisela emuva. Or inakho ukudelay izinto zakho. even noma kuthiwa uyayiplana kahle izinto, but khona futhi la ngeke, not unless you say fuck them, let me just go.
Can I give you my personal experience? Right. I come from a big family, and one thing you can be certain of in a big family is that there's infinite poverty, a lot of poverty. And it's true that I help a lot, but I use a formula for helping, and I stay true to that formula. No matter how much God has blessed me, like I know how to ensure that my life is put first, but not in the absence of giving to others. So what I'm trying to speak to is because I really hope that you can succeed the way your potential demands you. Because the question must be to yourself is, now that I'm not succeeding, am I a net benefit for these people relative to what I could be if I succeeded and I was reachable? Like, and if the answer is if I can succeed and be reachable, if I can succeed and have a system that will ensure Guti, I don't be consumed by the wealth. Because we all see it. There's that one person in the family that went overseas, waba right, and then agatholakala.
I wanna check. Sorry to cut you. I wanna bet. I wanna nyuku. Masikhona. Bela. And you're building things, and there's into build deal all these systems and they're operating, bro. Kuba nzima ukuthi abantu bakuthole, bro. Angeke nje qamba manga bese uzoba lula. No, you know, kuba nzima. I won't lie, but it's the fear of an unknown nakhona na check ukuthi njengoba ngiyisaba lento, at the same time if I've built like really solid system, probably ngakwazi, you know, like this the very same thing that Tony Robertson, when he had that conversation no Nalonchita, a chaza lento yokuthi he wants to feed how many people, and in the beginning how he struggled to feed abantu, but now he had to get a team and the system so that they're able to feed almost like 1 billion people. You can't do that by yourself. So you need a team and the structure. So that's another thing I would say, okay, now how do I make sure that like the structure, you know, it's been built there to reach labantu ngifuna ukuba reach nazo zonke lezi yabo. So I think ilokho, but I hear you. I hear what you say.
I wanna, especially if into ayibhilivayo kuzoba nzima ukuthi isheshe si-address, but at least useyayibona, yabo.
Yeah, no, because
Yeah,
what
at
I was
least
gonna
useyayibona because yabona ukuyibona kwakho plays a huge role. Yeah, also check.
Yeah, no, what I was gonna say, Shepherd, is Uguti. You know, there was this day, there's this thing called the self-authoring program by Jordan Peterson. Guy thing. And because I read some reviews, hey, that thing will take you deep within yourself. And it's okay. I like these type of things. Guy saying is self-authoring. And I went through it. And then it asked me questions like, where are you? Where do you think you want to be? Why are you not there? It keeps probing each layer. And then it got me to a point where I was asking myself, did my mom even believe in me? Like, really, did she believe? And I started writing, okay, what makes me think she did? Then I looked at the reasons why she didn't, and I was like, she didn't believe in me. They didn't believe in me. What did that do to me? How did it make me think? You know? And then it went so deeper for me to understand, it wasn't my mom that I was answering. It was myself. I didn't believe in myself. That's why I wasn't going for it. That's why I wasn't pushing, because there was a phase in my life where I thought I just did it, man. I was like, I'm making about 35,000 Rand or 40,000 Rand a month. I'm sending money home. I'm helping the family there. And I really thought, I can settle right here. I'm going to put my stick down. It's better than 89% of the people in my family could ever achieve. I had my nice small apartment, La Lucia. It's how I've made it. And then when I look in the mirror, I'm not happy. I'm not impressed.
Yeah.
Because I know who I can be. I know how I think. I know how I operate. But do it then, Jack. Prove to yourself that you're not just anybody. But then I'll justify it. I know. If I put too much focus on the craft, Manjuma, oh booty, you know, I kept finding reasons not to go until I did that program. And then I was like, you know what? I'd rather fail. I told myself I must fear not shining more than I fear failure. And that became my attitude. Every room I walk into, call to president, immediately in my mind, oh, can you say I humble him. There's this technique I use after the podcast. Game is strong. But I humble that room, get dominator, and I get my will. But it was only after I realized I am standing in my way. Every other reason was shallow. Mawami didn't believe in me. Those were all things I could hold on to not do. And I wasn't doing what I knew I could do. I wasn't pushing myself. I would be scrolling, relaxing. I'd support people there, do something here, start a business, supporting these kids about washing shoes. I'm feeling good because I'm doing something, but that's not my scale. That's not my level. That's not what God has put in me. And I had to confront it and no, I will not be mediocre.
Yeah.
How many t-shirts do I have? I never had vest. I'm a vest. Don't think I'm a vest, actually. Nah, let me get vest. Let me get socks. Let me get a shirt. And I was like, okay, I need to push more because every reason I'm telling myself for why I am where I am is just because I'm afraid of that unknown. So I want to give that to you, Guti. Challenge the unknown because I have a gift of seeing potential. And I see it immediately. When I meet someone, I know what or I see someone, I'm like, wow, so much potential that will never be realized. And I hate to see people close to me and say the latter, Uguti, wow, so much potential. I wonder if they will ever realize. Like, I hate to look at Kanyiso and say, what potential? I look at 210 and say, what potential? Starbucks, pen. What? So much potential. Like, you see, it's like, because I was once there where people were looking at me and saying, hey, Jack, you're so brilliant. You speak so well. You're so brilliant. And I'm like, yeah, I'm brilliant, but I'm not doing nothing.
But what role does faith play in that?
Faith plays a massive role.
Not le faith as a
yes, yeah, no.
Talking about a deeper faith.
The faith, I think
because it's that faith that will carry you. Even if I don't know what happens out there.
Sometimes.
Yeah, lente funa kwenzeka izinto ezigrand. Yiyona engilindile lapha phambili.
Taking me to incwadi.
Because okay, because bengikhalela uku-highlighta first lento Shepherd bese ngibuye
highlight
naye nje ezama ukucabanga lama systems adinga ukuwafaka lapha. Kumele azi ukuthi with faith kuna aseke khona vele.
Akhona uzowathola khona.
Lezi inkinga lezi ayicabanga manje.
Just you know what? After that, I literally said, I said, you know what? Go for khona.
Yeah, man. No, ukuthi ngishane ngihlupheka ngiyu nobody. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi we reach potential yakho.
You know, another thing that was I saw how everyone negotiated with their dreams.
Yeah.
When we were all kids, if it's a pupin tefana, sathi I'm gonna have a big house, imoto zizogcwala la, ngibe nama helper. Like that was the dream. Uguti. That I will be able to, live that life. Then you hit 18. You're like, maybe I don't really need a mansion. If I can just get a 5-bedroom, give a, Yeah. Then you get to 25. Let me start with the apartment. Then you get to 30. If I can just get a place I can call home, And what you're doing is you're negotiating because your faith keeps reducing. When you were a kid, nothing was impossible. That's why you said, I asked my mom once, ngambuza ukuthi, what did you say when you were young? She said exactly what I said. That's when I knew I was in trouble. But this is dangerous. If my mom also tells ukuthi uzobona ama-workers awu-hundreds abe neemoto eziyi-hundreds but siphila kanje shuthi nami ngizolunga
Must do
yakho.
something.
I need to
Bafethu
do-
umuthi uthi asiyivaleni sishawa isikhathi. The light sisishayile. man.
Hayi no
Ivale
singayivali
ke
mfethu.
mjakasi.
No ngizoyivala kanje ukuthi
Eh.
there are 3 elements mfethu ne before nginikeze ama-guest ami. There are 3 elements that I think make umuntu. 3. Number 1, ama-beliefs. Number 2, ama-principles. And number 3, ama-practices. And I write about this in The Rich Ways of a Broke Man, the book I'm about to release. I write from
Bra wethu ubhale ibhuku.
hey ngiqedile le book ngiqale ngisase high school.
Ubhale ibhuku.
So,
Showcase.
Those 3 elements ngibhale in the book from a finance point of view, but they are a life thing. If you can adjust your beliefs, if you can have principles for how you operate, and then you can practice those things, there's nothing that can stop you. Especially belief. Because I've also noticed, Guti, belief without practice still brings opportunity. You've met those people. If you look at their lives, bayaganga labantu. There's nothing that says Guti lo muntu deserves where he is. But they always believe in themselves. They believe Guti they were supposed to be rich. Belief alone will get you opportunities. It's now the principles and practices that sustain it, that make it long-lasting, that make it meaningful. It's pointless to have the right principles, but no belief. It's pointless to have the right principle, but you don't practice it. You see, so those are some of the 3 things that I share in the book, but I think it ties into what we're talking about. Uguti. Your beliefs, your principles, and your practices. If you can get those aligned, organized, whatever field you're in, whatever you're doing, if you believe I must be the best photographer and I'm going to have principles about how I operate, my stand is my stand. And then practice this thing I'm preaching. Ow. Very soon uzocompete noNkanyisa. Danko. Awuyithathe Mshapiri.
Oh, siyavana, I know. Well, ngicishe ngathi siyabonga Jack.
Ngiyabonga for hosting us.
I know, man. Great combo.
Yeah, unikeza
but,
abantu abantu ngayijwayela.
Yeah. So, but I feel like every day you have to negotiate, man, with your life, and life is all about probabilities. So we negotiate, and every day umuntu negotiate and lo muntu afuna ukuba yena ongcono. So we're in the journey, man, and I like the fact that we had to have this conversation and trying to be vulnerable a little bit, but kuyasiza mfethu yabo, because ey'khathini ey'ningi when abantu bekubona they always think that hey awusablute, hey blind and
Yeah, uyibambile.
and also it's not like one is scared of success or anything like that. You know, it's those things that you're going to battle with, especially if it's more intwana emnyama mfethu. Uyabheklisha nalezi inombolo. Even though success isikhona, mali isikhona, zonke lezi zinto usuzi-achievile, ekusanezinto zamele uzisho. You know, so
Deep fun.
yeah, so we are on a journey, and the only way we can really get it right is through such conversations, you know, and really try and help each other where we can, so that doesn't use into a bag, you know, usuhleli wedwa and realize it's okay. You know, I think Melingzame, you know, law, you know, let's see how does this hour, and then kube khona ihlanganise le ingredient kanti liziphume lento kumele iphume, because it's through conversations that nations are built, people are built, you know, families are built, businesses are built. So such conversation really healed and also help, you know, not only just people, because ey'khathini eningi into nenintsha eziniyenzela abantu kanti niyenzela nina.
Thank
You know. So you had to heal yourself through such conversation, you know. So shout out, you know, to the gents. I mean, we've never done a session that we're all even sharing our past ganja, you know. because you realize ukuthi ekugcineni isiyafana imuva lethu liyafana ukuthi linama-level
Ikhosile.
but
Khona iziko i-basement engempela.
it's the same and into emnandi ukuthi asele we passed, we're going somewhere and we're not stopping and nakhona leyo i-past iyona esimotivate kakhulu ukuthi siphushe kakhulu nakuqala and it's a good thing bro, because even nama-decision owenza going forward now you like flip if senginey'ntwana akumele futhi you smell the poverty. So I must work hard and make sure I'm setting the next generation up. So in the way I move, in things I do, decisions I make, because ibuhlungu lento ye-poverty. Awuyikhetheli fethu. Ufica isimo sinje. Uzothini uyintwana uyingane?
Wenzeni mfethu ukudeserve leyo?
Brazo. And already fethu i-startup sakho fethu asikho grand. Kunomuntu osekushayile ngo-10 years, who's ahead of you, 20 or 50 years. Oseset.
Ne-G's.
Kunama-trust nama-inheritance
Brazo.
serious kabuka.
Useset fethu. Wena inherita me-trauma yonke into. Yisona starting point sakho.
And you must flip and succeed ngaleso starting point. Angifuni, you see, lento yokubuza ukuthi why me has never operated la. Ukuthi why mina nginje ngazithola ngila no mama nje no baba succeed.
If not you, it's Google.
Yeah. Succeed. That's the response you give to in life.
If it's not you, uthakuba ubani. Why do you think bona ba-deserve ukuthi bafile lento le wena ubhekane nayo? And wena why? What makes you ke asimeni kancane indaba zo-why bafethu.
Yeah.
Shout out to you Emajiteni bafethu. Beautiful conversation. Siyabonga bidingakala. Unendlebe uzwile. Ungenayo indlebe sorry. Bawumsherela abazwile sebemchazela kahle ukuthi amajita bethini. But ukona konke bafowethu ngiyabonga. This was beautiful episode and ganza kithi unsubscribe lapho nishare and comment ukuze izoqhubeka ikhule le setup le.
Shout out to Shugule.
Shout out man.
Thank you Mjakatula
Awu,
for taking us
bese
down.
ukanyiswa
Ufuna
ngavali-
ukubani?
Ushaphi. Ekhali eswele.
Emotional.
Thank you Mjakatula for taking us there. Thank you Shapiro for opening up too. Yabona nje basesihleli kanje nje umoya kwi The Ins podcast uyezansi scroll uzofika kukhona amanye amajita engihleli nawo. After 11 episodes then uzobona amajita. Isihleli eStarbucks uthethi no Shepard. Ngiyabuza ukuthi lo mjita lo wenza le brand egqoke uShepard. Why yenza lamasimba wenza why enga? Yabo? Sithi sisazama ukuphendula leyo nto sithi hayi nawe Shepard why ungabe uvusa ithembe kwayo waseThekwini? Wena Nkanyiso why are you not going global? Why are you not doing your things? Wena Thethu usafunana eStarbucks nisabani majita? Is it fear or what? Yayizwa leyo nto sibuza kanje siyaziconfronta sisodwa ukuthi nina njengoba seninesibindi yenzani something about it. Yabo? I'm happy that we're having this conversation now in front of this camera so that people can see ukuthi sihlukanga kakhulu and ayikho futhi into esingcono ngayo kunani. Yabo? But we are bold enough ukuthi sihlale phambi kwama camera share ama opinions ethu. Yabo? Ume wrong sharp. Me sifundile sofunda next day. But thank you so much bafethu. Thank you Mjakatula for opening this chapter for Amajita. Let's hope umusu uzoyi-edit iphume le episode because nayo unokwenza amanye amasiko. Thank you Majita.
Ivali.
Thank you Nzalo boy. Now unokukhuluma ngale ungena mic.